first slime in this channel, so it won't be that great because it's like my first one. So here it is. It's pink and it has sparkles, so really cool. Alright, so first I'm just gonna use PPA glue, non-toxic and safe. So it's liquid PPA glue. So I'm gonna make first a strawberry slime. That's enough. So that's enough. So then I added my glue. So then I'm just gonna add that red dye. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put it in this straw. Okay. Oh, this is so relaxing. So I think it's gonna turn out pink. I'm not sure. I think it's gonna turn out pink. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix it up. Oh, this looks really weird. I think I did something wrong here. Well, it doesn't matter. I added too much dye, but it doesn't matter. It's just dye. So I'm just gonna stir it up. So yeah, now I'm gonna add the strawberry scent. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. That's enough. Oh, it smells so good. Just gonna mix it all around. So, let me smell. Ah, it smells so good. So then, should I add the glitter now? Not now. So I'm just gonna stir it up. It smells. It needs a little bit more scent. Yeah, just a little bit more scent. That should make it better. Stir it up. Smell? Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm so excited. So yeah, so now I'm gonna add the activator that is Tide. So I'm gonna add the activator. I'm not gonna add too much. I'm not gonna add a little bit. So I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time. So now stir it all up. Smells so good, so I'm just gonna stir it up. Guys, comment down below if you ever did strawberry slime. No, this is my first time making strawberry slime. So excited. This is weird. It doesn't activate that fast. I'm gonna use my hands. I'm going fast now. What's happening to the slime? I don't know what's happening to the slime. You guys, do you know what's happening to the slime? I don't really know what's happening to the slime. It's weird. And why is, oh yeah, I don't know what's happening. When I try to open the orange coloring, so this is all orange, what's happened? It's okay, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of baby oil. So, oh, it's turning out really nice. The best part is adding glitter. So I think I'm almost ready to add the glitter. started. So I think this is jiggly slime. Yeah, jiggly slime. It's really thick and I really like it. So it smells really nice. So yeah, so I think it's time for the glitter. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's add the glitter. So it's red glitter. So I'm gonna open it now. It doesn't open. Yeah. Oh, so nice. Glitter. Yes. Here comes the glitter. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Oof. I added too much, but still. Glitter makes everything perfect. I guess. Let me just mix it up. Ooh, it's really nice. So, I had too much glitter, but I don't care. I like glitter. Glitter. Oh, and it's full on the table. I'm gonna, oh. So this is a better glitter. I wish it is. Ooh. I'm gonna add in the container. So nice. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some stuff about slime. Share this video with your friends and like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below what other videos do you want me to make. And goodbye.